get the wings and everything. The garlic and cheesy mash. Move your ugly blood clot, your Godzilla ugly, stinking, rusty, crusty body. You want reborn, you want to go in a blood clot, bucket of acid. You ugly blood clot, girl, can't rub me at you. Nasty blood clot, Nicole, you shout on a screen. May you have a heart attack. Run your blood clot, car wheel. We think so, you scream and you talk the nasty things and you deal the tongue, Nicole, you should shame yourself, fever speak and you tear down your own. Come on, you check the ratio, you know. You tear down your own blood clot, friend. Because if you're such a fucker man with dildo and them nasty, when I one set a nasty blood clot crab house, you know. When it just hurt, when it cannot force somebody to love you. The man do not love you. He never love you. You trick the man at talk about. Yeah, Nicole. I don't know why Nicole scream out to the boss of her. Yesterday, I barely glimpse. I'm still around the car and what did you have a stroke, sir? If you are going to people where you don't know, could you behave? You deal that up. Nicole, should be ashamed of yourself, Nicole. Nicole, everywhere you go, you walk and suck on the place with them out. And you don't look good for sodomites. I'm going to understand when a woman will have pitney, all of a sudden when a sodomite, and want gyal, because all turn out and rub out, and a man don't want, so you have to turn man on yourself. Nicole, remember say you put snake up and you put it tongue long from all this, you know. Nicole, remember say your pussy tongue is a permanent dick, you know, Nicole. Your mouth and your blood clot pussy tongue, you know, short and long and stiff, you know, Nicole. Nicole, where you not going, man? Ugly face girl, where you not going to stay bad, big calf, looking. You know, they are fine, look how you look. You look terrible, man. All the week, them just stiff by your head. You know, want to know, women are come out from me and my family. The man gone, and I can't force him. The man for come back. The man gone. And he's not coming back. He's not coming back. You crackhead Tipsy I come. Tipsy I come and class there. Tipsy don't know nothing about me, Tipsy. Tipsy, you know why you lose all your baby the time. You're wicked. Wicked, you're wicked. Make God beat you and make you never have a miscarriage. Never lose a baby. None of my baby them never dead. Wicked, ugly, crush up face, Tipsy. You smoke crack on the blood clot internet. And you drink Ray and nephew. And the baby are crying, you breastfeed the baby. All no move on a dirty bungo self and go for me, you know. I saw the other one come. That other ugly one that will come. Right? I never remember I paid. The woman ugly, the woman face so cold. Was I look slave? She don't know how to keep. She cannot keep a man. The woman. No. Listen, let me tell you something. Every woman know when a man want them. We know when a man love we and when a man don't love we. And from day one, she knows that the man don't love her. And everything I'm going to cuss her and tell her, she know it true. And this is why her aim that she's going to destroy me and my... She said, when me put out rallying, when me put out my nice man, she left. You never have Hugo, because Hugo never want you. The man beat you, the man step in your head, the man crush your head. When the man step in her head, I two hear them. Hey, when you say she come and have darkers, I hear them pulp swell till them pulp out her head. The man beat you. Remember, you have to run, go call the man, them, you know. I suck up the man, start the man kick you like a... Listen, me, I'm already making Instagram, you know, people are tuning in. I soon show on him page, I'm not show it yet. I soon show on him page because I'm going to bring her down. Him and him woman, Which part of Shanae look mad? What the fuck would the man doing mad, man? The man sit down with a mad girl for 3 years. Chris, them say she mad. Them say she a mad girl. Or a mad girl, you go pick up.
Who said that?
All of them, puss and her blood clots, minions them. Say, look a girl mad.
Right now, you give them minions.
Minion, yeah, minions them.
Them can see decent people and some people mad.
Thank you,
Girl,
Jella. Them just
so the girl nice.
Them pick up a night, yeah. Oh, the girl mad, who's passion mad. A nice red king girl. A puss mad because how can you get up an hour with people for 3 years where you don't know? You have the man, you want. The man gone, you want. You're confused. And the man you want or me you want. Which one? Because look like say me you want, you know. Because you get the man, you say you want. The man gone, you want. And me you want. She just could become a stand up me and cheese. And the only girl will burn her down. Who can't talk about my people, them and never come to the puss. Who can't, you could have never talk about my nice, clean, beautiful children them. What have them mother and them father. I look after them. No way. You understand? You can't talk about my kids. You're picking them a criminal. Your daughter them fuck up from the age of how much you will have breed. And I wanna have them pick the gun. The system take it where I adapt it on. And you like want to come for, oh, my kids are the criminal people. Our son have 500 criminal conviction. They have to tie him up straight Jamaica and send him out to England. Yeah. And then him don't even serve 6 months at Germany. The boy get 5 years at Germany. Him can't go nowhere. Anywhere in the world. Him a go to prison. You're picking them curse because you curse. You curse people, children, them, and you bad mind of people, kids. You call people fat. Look by yourself how you look. You don't carry yourself good. You can't ugly, you know. Or you beard and you don't want the right clothes.
Better she that bleach. Better she that try get some color, you know.
Christopher,
come on.
Not an insult to bleaching. That the big black ugly gorilla, the King Kong, can't bleach. This is the man ugly man. Even if I bring down the ugly.
Yeah, them know.
Bring down the ugly.
Yeah, she ugly man. Yeah, ugly bad man.
Ugly bad.
They know the dog the blind and God make the dog can see, you know. Dog the blind and God make it. Oh, me?
Yeah, bro, you ugly.
Yeah, man, I'm ugly, man. I'm ugly, yeah.
Why?
Ugly, man.
You can always some ugly. Me say, she pick up the family business by her head. Yes, Stephen get fired. If they don't know 3 years now, they 3 years now. So I'm waiting him. I will get the port back to Jamaica. She said she will go down because he go down.
Oh, in the prison?
They will kill him down there. Germany. In Germany, a prison. The boy can't ever word the boy, but the boy thief. Them set the boy for thief because his mama wicked. I understand you go though, because if I was in prison, I would have take up anybody will want me till me get on my foot. No, at the Germany and the America where she said she have the link. Woman lie, you know. Woman lie and me gonna make sure she know she play upon that because he never want to stay at Jamaica. That was the wrong thing to do.
You should make sure know that.
Right. Because she knows say him don't
Can't
want
make
to
people know your
stay.
weakness, you know.
Yeah, she know
Yeah.
him weakness, and that was him weakness. And when she find out the weakness, she was using it. Oh, me not go, if you don't come here, I'm your sister. Come here, I'm your blood clots, stinking pussy sister. Are you ugly, mama? Then now go Germany, then now go America. You know, have my leg. Go dirty girl, go beard. Go brush your teeth. What the yo? Me don't
She
even
want
want.
scrub off.
Hey, no, the scrub off can that one reborn, man. That
She
one
want scrub off with some bleach, man.
no man,
You know that
bleach can Chris Bleach can't do nothing to that. Chris Bleach can't do nothing to that, man. Bleach
what
can't
she do for
ever see.
herself? She not work. She just sit up on social
She
media every day.
she every day. Every day she sit on social media. I met me about her. I met my life about her. When me I live the life how if I live. You understand? Me can't wait for my passport drop so me can travel and go anywhere where I want to go. Me not go stuck in England in a house. Get up in a house every day. And press live her. She not a friend in her real life, you know. That's why
Oh.
it never worked out with her. Too much lies. Too much lies. Blessing, Hugo. She pay Hugo for touch her. She pay Hugo for talk to her. Yo, do not worry. The man have him Instagram. The man say when him done with that post, but tell you already, you know. Me say anytime you go find a woman where him and her are the same post, you go cry. I bet you never do them video the way you do it, and I'm sending them, you know. And I'm sending them people, and them I go fix you. I come tell the people them how your whole stink. Hey, man, I go bring down your old man. And I got bring down, but anyway, I reach home now. I'm not carry the life in my house. Christopher, me here with talk.